Okay, Richard, here you go. As you can see, yeah, there it is. I'm bypassing the tuner. I'm into my Cantana dummy load on RTTY. Now we're going to go over to the watt meter. 103 watts. Okay, now we're going to go over to this watt meter. Looky there. Very good. No problems there. Now I've been all through this radio. Did a complete tune-up on it. Set your modulation. I've checked every board for bad solder joints. I've checked all the ribbon cables. This radio is in perfect condition. It works fantastic. And up to the scope. There's your modulation on the scope on AM, which is very good. That's perfect. So yeah, let's go to lower sideband. Okay, here's your lower sideband. Peak wattage. Audio, check, check, check. Hello, audio. 105 watts, looking real good, no problems there. Alright, there we go, look at that, 111 watts. Audio, check, check, no problems. It's working great. And I just set the scale 1000, that's 100 watts. And it's on peak forward power. Audio, check, check. No problems. Okay. So, I don't know. This thing really does work good. Like I said, I should just buy it from you and keep it. There's AM. Audio, check, check. 140 watts. 140 watts on AM on the swing. Awesome. Okay. I got the mic gain kicked up on the mic so you can see it's picking me up. And 40 watts. 40 watts dead key, swinging 140. Put it back on, there you go, peak. Audio, check, check. Hell, audio. Yeah, that's good. That's real good. Let's see here. Lower sideband. Audio, check, check, man. Audio. Audio, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. That's really good. Good, nice signal on the scope for sideband. Audio, check, check. Real punchy. That's very, very good. All right. There you go. This thing really works good. No problems. Let's see here, hang on. I'm gonna pull it off the dummy load and put it on the antenna. I adjusted your signal to noise ratio. You can see I got some noise, which would have been way worse than that. I have lots of noise here. And your attenuator button, that's the ATT button. Okay, I'm ready to push it. Look at that. Much more pleasant radio to listen to. Let's see here. Switch antennas. Let's go to That was bypassing the tuner. RTT1. Somebody's probably gonna get mad at me here, but oh, sorry about that. There we go. Standing wave. 0. That's the meter that goes with the tuner. And over here to this one. Well, you can see it. Let's see here. Put it on RTT1. Now as your standing wave goes up, this is what's actually going out the antenna. At 1.26, it dropped to 98. Bypass the tuner. Okay, you can see here. Tuner is bypassed. I'm just on my 40 meter wire. 99 at 1.26. So that's pretty good. That's it. This radio's working good. I know what more to tell you. Okay, that ought to be playing along in that video. There's my new baby. I love that little radio. Anyhow. And my little baby amp. Okay. That ought to do it. Can't do no more. This thing's working really good. Hope you like it. Bye.